Hi Stampers, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc, and today I'm going to show you a fun fold card featuring the Christmas Crowd stamp set. This is called a bridge card, and when it stands up it looks like this, so there's a lot of dimension to it. But what's nice about it is that it will fold flat for mailing and will fit into a standard envelope. So let's get started. To start, you want to cut a piece of cardstock to 4 1/4 inches by 8 inches. Then you want to score it at 1 1/4 inches and 2 1/2 inches from each side. Use your bone folder to create nice folds on those score lines, and this will be the base for your bridge card. Next, I want to cut some designer series paper, and on this project I am using the Night Before Christmas designer series paper. These smaller panels measure 1 1/4 inch by 4 1/4 inches. These are two are going to appear on the outside, and these two are on the inside. These are completely optional. Then the larger panel that's shown in the back will measure 3 inches by 4 1/4 inches. Using my SNAIL adhesive, I'm going to adhere these panels into the card base. I'm going to start with the largest panel and then the 2 inside panels. Again, these 2 inside panels are completely optional. If you want to leave those blank, they don't necessarily show, so it is okay to leave those out if you want. Now you are ready to cut your bridge pieces. These are from the Whisper White cardstock. You want one that measures 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/2 inches, and the other one should measure 1 inch by 5 1/2 inches. I've added adhesive to the ends of the larger bridge piece, and we're going to put that on the bottom part of the card. So I want to just fold that flat. I'm going to line up that bottom right there. And then again, I'm going to line it up over here, and there is adhesive on both of those. And that will connect that bridge side to side to hold that. For my smaller bridge piece, I want to stamp my greeting up at the top. So I have marked with a pencil at the 1 1/4 inch mark on each side of this bridge piece, and that way I know to stamp between those lines. So I'm using a greeting from the Christmas Crowd stamp set with real red ink, and I'm going to stamp that right in between those. Now you are ready to add your top bridge piece. So you're going to put adhesive on both ends like we did on the bottom and adhere those to the top. Make sure those are firmly in place, and then you're going to place your side panels over those outside panels, and that will cover up your bridge pieces as well. Make sure that your pencil marks aren't showing and erase those if you need to. To save some time, I've already stamped, colored, and cut out this image from the Christmas Crowd stamp set. I will have another video to show you how I easily cut that out. And I'm just adding that to the front with some Stampin Dimensionals. You only want those on the bottom so that that top part doesn't stick down to the inside. Make sure that your card folds both ways. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. The Christmas Crowd stamp set will be available September 4th, 2019. Feel free to request a catalog, and I would be happy to have you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.